Now we are introduced some projects of lesson 1, Caskets of Life. Let's start. Friends, we learn about microorganisms. What is microorganisms? Yes, the organisms cannot be seen by naked eyes are microorganisms. Let's see some examples of microorganisms. What is this? This is amoeba. What is this? Yes, this is a euglena. This is paramecium. These are microorganisms. Amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Friends, organisms that cannot be seen by naked eyes are microorganisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena are some examples of microorganisms. We can use a microscope to observe microorganisms. Friends, we also learn about cells. What is cell? Yes, the cell is a basic structural unit of a living body. We next learn unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Amoeba, euglena, paramecium is unicellular organisms. The organisms have only one cell in their body is called unicellular organisms. The organisms that more than one cell in their body are multicellular organisms. Plants and animals are examples of multicellular organisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena are unicellular organisms. We cannot see by naked eyes these unicellular organisms. This is a model of animal cell. We make this animal cell using vegetables. Let's see the important parts of animal cell. This is nucleus, the center of the cell. And this is cell membrane, the covering of the cell. And this is vacuole. And this matrix filled inside the cell membrane is cytoplasm. This is an animal cell. Friends, next we see a model of plant cell. Chloroplast, nucleus, vacuole, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm. Friends, next we find the difference about a plant cell and animal cell. Cell membrane. The plant cell also have a cell membrane. Nucleus. The plant cell also have a nucleus. And vacuole. Vacuole in animal cell is smaller and plant cell vacuole is bigger. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is only in plant cell. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm also in plant cell. Cell wall. Cell wall only in plant cell. These are the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Friends, we can learn first lesson Caskets of Life through some projects on this video. We can see another super video. Bye bye. Thank you.